Hello and thanks for joining in this video. So in this video I'm going to talk about keyword research and show you how I do my keyword research. It is one of the most critical things before you start your creating your videos or your blog post. So there are lots of free tools out there, including the Google Ads Keyword Planner. But if you aren't using Google Ads, you won't get the accurate number of searches or accurate data. So the one which I use quite a lot is SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool, which is the new tool over here. I absolutely love this tool because it gives me a really great advantage over my competitors for both the organic and the paid traffic. So I'm using this data to get my videos more views through Google, and then using the same keywords and data to see what's happening in Google Ads and how competitive a keyword is or is not. And then I can use and leverage these keywords. So let's go through this interface to show you a brief tutorial as to how I use this. So once you're in the keyword tool, you enter the keyword in here and then you select your country. So I'm just choosing UK for the time being. Then over here you got the various match types. You got broad, phrase, exact, and related, which is a new one. My favorite one is the phrase match because it gives me a good balance of the volume of traffic, and it's fairly targeted, because broad is too broad, exact is too narrow, and very little traffic. So what phrase match is, my keyword is wedding photography. So I can have words either in front or at the end, but not in the middle. So for example, raw is in front, Asian and Birmingham is at the front and the back, Asian, Bradford. What I'm trying to say to you is wedding photography is not disrupted by any word in between. So I know that all these keywords are very relevant to my niche and topic. Let me close this for a second and I'll close this one as well. Now, not many people go under the advanced filters, and this is where you can really fine-tune your search. So you can include keywords either as broad match or exact match, or exclude them as well, either as broad or exact match. Then you can have a word counts, how many words you want in your keywords or a search term, from and to. So if you're going after long tail keywords, so you can say I want minimum of three word counts. So then all of these will be filtered out to 3 or more. You can go after the volume, so you can have a minimum or a maximum. Keyword difficulty. So the keyword difficulty, which is over here, is for the organic rankings in Google. Anything above 50 to 60, and that is my preference. I don't go over it because then it becomes very difficult to rank for those keywords. Now different people will say different things, but depending on the strength of your website and how competitive your website is, how old is your domain and page authority, domain authority, and all that, whether how quickly you can compete with other websites for those keywords. So anything around the 50 or less, you'll be able to rank fairly quickly. So I would go after the low-hanging fruit first. The reason why I want to do that is because I want my video to get more views in Google. And here's how I do that. So let's go away from here for a second to give you a bird's eye view of this strategy. So I create a video, I upload to YouTube, then I upload that video onto my blog post. So this is a blog post on my blog or on my website, and I've got my video in here. Now if I get this keyword ranked in Google, I'm going to drive a fair amount of traffic to this page, and when I have more visitors to this website, they're going to click on this video and I'm going to get more views. So this is my strategy, and the other strategy is obviously getting my videos ranked in Google page 1. So anytime somebody searches for a certain search term, my video is over there and my video is over here as well. So this is my strategy for organic traffic, but then I also have paid traffic strategies, which we're not going to cover a huge amount, but in one of these other videos I will show you how to create a paid advertising campaign for your video. So targeting the right keyword is critical and very important, because if you don't get much success, you're going to get frustrated and you're going to give up pretty soon. But once you start to see results and you start to see traffic coming through to your website, the relevant and the right traffic that is, then you're going to create more content and you increase your business, your sales, your leads, and so on. So the keyword difficulty is, I would say, go up to 50 if you haven't started and you are fairly new to SEO and video marketing. Then you'll be able to get ranked in Google quite easily. Although you will get less traffic, but at least you just keep building up. Then you have your CPC. This is for cost per click for Google Ads, as to how much you are likely to pay for a click on one of those keywords. Then the competition, that competition column is for Google Ads, is from 0 to 1, 1 being very competitive and obviously 0 being the least. So for this one, 0.14 is not as competitive as Asian wedding photography Birmingham. 0.66, that one, Asian wedding photography Bradford. So you can see, and you can sort out these columns and then avoid all the difficult ones or the most competitive ones and go after the least competitive keywords. So you can filter them from here. Now here's a really cool feature over here, because you can then filter by feature snippet, instant answer, knowledge base, all of that, video, tweets, site links, etc. Not many people again use this drop down menu to see what's happening for all of these different things. And you can also go from results in the SERP, which is the search engine result pages. The other thing which I really like over here is, if you are struggling to create content and you hit a brick wall as to what shall I create videos on, where do I find topics and subjects and so on, there's a brilliant tab over here which is called questions, and these are the kind of questions which are being asked on the internet, and you will get a ton of questions over here and you'll never run out of content. So you can pretty much answer or create a video with your answer for any of these questions. You can even see the breakdown of these keywords. So when you are running paid campaigns in Google, you can then have different ad groups with different messages on your ads, because this one is much, so that means how much does wedding photography cost, or how much does wedding photography earn you, or cost over here, how much does the average couple spend, how much does wedding photography cost, and so on. All of these are sorted out in these subfolders, and you can create very specific campaigns for all of these, and you can see how many there are. Obviously in these ones there are not that many keywords, but you will still see that what people are searching for. Once you've found your keywords, you can either add them to the keyword analyzer and analyze it more in detail, or you can export them as a CSV file and import them into your Google Docs or a spreadsheet or Excel spreadsheet, and take it from there into Google Ads or however you are using them. So I hope you got an idea as to how to use this keyword magic tool. It's a great little tool. I would highly recommend that you use it, and you're going to improve the quality of your online campaigns. You'll be more targeted and extremely focused on which keywords you are going after. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or comments, please do put them in the box below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.